Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for all of our customers. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible customer service now and in the future. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We love the opportunity to earn a great review from you, too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.